Not getting messenger notifications on iPhone. So if you're not getting the messenger app notifications on your iPhone, it is actually quite very simple to solve them. What you can do is you could simply go ahead and then first of all, let's say you're not receiving the message notifications. First of all, go to Messenger. If you're not receiving the notification only from a certain individual, it could be that you have muted that person. So go to that person's there and then just check if you've muted them. If you've muted them, just make sure to unmute them right there. But if you're not receiving on the Messenger app as a whole, go to menu, then simply go to settings, and here look for notifications and sounds and tap on it, and make sure to turn on notifications, all of these notifications right here. Another thing you can do is you can open up settings app manually, then you can simply go to notifications. Here under app notifications, search for Messenger and make sure you've allowed the notifications, and after that you should definitely be able to go ahead and then basically find the notifications. So I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.